Hello all, welcome to Educators. We are here to make learning easier. Today we are going to discuss about Zoom, how to join in Zoom, how to sign up in Zoom, how to control the meetings and meeting controls. We are going to discuss in this video. Let's start this. How to open Zoom in your PC. Go to your web browser, click on the URL tab, enter zoom.us, click the enter. Next, you'll redirect to this page and the page looks like this. How to sign up or sign in. If you already have a Zoom account, you can click on sign in, but if you don't have a Zoom account, you need to click on sign up. Just you can enter your date of birth, click on continue. You can enter your email address, not only your work email address, any email address. I will enter my email address. If you have any queries, you can mail them to this email address. Sorry, educate.satish. Sign up. You need to go and check your Gmail inbox. I'll go. I got it. Zoom account sign up assistant. Click on that. I already have a Zoom account, so I just need to sign in. You need your email address and your password. Click on enter. Yes, this is my account. After you sign in or sign up, this is how the page looks. If you want to join a meeting, click on this. You can see join a meeting. Click on that. You need to enter your meeting ID given by the meeting host. I am entering my demo meeting ID. Click on join. In this page, you will see open Zoom. You need to click on open Zoom. If you didn't install the Zoom or you didn't download the Zoom, you need to click on this link. Can you see download and run Zoom? You need to click on that. I already downloaded, so I'll just click on open Zoom. If you didn't download also the same procedure, you'll get like this. It's telling me to enter the meeting password. I entered the meeting password and click on join meeting. It asks me, do you want to join with video? I'll click on join without video. If the meeting host has enabled waiting room, it means the host has to admit you with his permission. It means he has to give the permission for you to enter the meeting. If he clicks on admit, you will be entered into the meeting. Yes, it's connecting, and then you will be entered into the meeting. This is the first thing that appears. You need to click on join with computer audio. If you have a headphone or any other audio device, you need to click on that. I'll click on this. Here you can see this is the meeting control. If you want to hide the meeting control, you need to click on alt, and to show alt again. If you want to speak something, you should click on unmute. If the red bar is there, you cannot speak. If that red bar is not there, it means you can speak. For speaking, You should click like this and you others can hear your audio. And if you click that again, they cannot hear. Shortcut key for this is Alt A. Alt A. And if you want to temporarily unmute yourself, hold your space bar. Yes, look, temporarily unmuted, and again if you release that, that will be muted. Now if you want to start video, you can click on this Alt plus V. Your video will be started. Now if you want to know who are the participants in your meeting, you need to click on this tab, participants tab. If it is not there, if it's like this, you just press Alt key, Alt. You can see, click on participants. Here these all are the members of my meeting. First name will be yours, the second name will be the host, and all other names will be the other participants in your meeting. Suppose if you want to speak something and want to take permission from others, you can click on raise hand. Look, here you can see a blue color hand symbol. Others also can see this so that they can know that you want to speak something. Next, if you want to chat with your colleagues or if you want to chat with participants, you can click on Alt H. Alt H and it appears. If you want to chat with everyone, you can click everyone. If you want to chat with only the host, host, or if you want to chat with any others privately also, you can do that. All these settings, the host must enable this for you to do all these things. Okay, and here you can type and enter. Others can see your message. You can even attach a file. Now if my doubt is completed, then I'll click on lower hand so that my hand will be lowered. Now to hide these participants and chat option, I'll click on Alt U. Participants is gone. Alt H, chat is also gone. Next, if I want to share my screen, I'll click on Alt S or this green button. If it is like this, Alt, you will get this green button, or Alt plus S. Look, you can see share screen, whiteboard, iPhone or iPad. You can advanced sharing is there, only a portion of the screen, or computer, like music only, content from second camera, or your drives. I'll go for basic. If I click on screen and share, others can view your screen. The other person is viewing my screen. Look, if I want to annotate on my screen, if I want to draw, you can click on this pencil, annotate. Here there are various tools present, you can do them. I'll just show you an example. Yes, this is the way you can do. Okay, now if you want to give your mouse control or keyboard control to others, you can click on remote control, and to whom you want to give, you can do that. But I am telling you, please skip that option because that is a time taking and also an inaccurate process. And you can also save this, and you can also clear all the drawings at once. Spotlight means if you click on this wand here and this, see a red color light appears so others can know the portion of the screen you want to show. You can even save your annotations. You can erase what you drew. And if you want to know who others are annotating, you can click on show names of annotators. And if others are annotating, you will be notified or you will be knowing who are the persons who did it. Now look, Educators has done this. So I'll get the name of the person who did it, and so I can catch him red-handedly if he is disturbing my screen sharing. If I don't want any others to annotate on my screen, I'll click on disable participants annotation. Now others cannot annotate. If you want to pause screen sharing, you can click on pause so that others can view this. Others can view this. But if you go to any other sites or any other pages, they can still view the previous one only. They can still view the previous one only. That is the advantage of pausing screen share. They can view this only, but you can go anywhere and do any of your work. Now you can move this by a yellow one like this. You can move it, and these are the things. You can share your computer sound also. You can also mute yourself, unmute yourself. You can view who are the participants like this. If you want to stop sharing, you can see a red button, stop share, click on that. If you are not able to share screen, there is a problem with your system settings. Go to system settings and give permission to Zoom. You can even share a portion of your screen and also whiteboard. If I click on whiteboard and share, a white page will appear, and it's like when you are teaching, you can teach like this. Subscribe, yeah. It's about whiteboard. You can do the same things what you can do for sharing. Whiteboard means if you in a school, if you are teaching, the teacher writes the similar way you can do that here. And if you want to stop that, you can click on stop share. You can even share a portion of your screen, only a part. For that, also you need to give the permissions to Zoom. The main thing, many of them asked me that I can't share my screen. The main reason for that is uh, the system settings are changed. Okay, portion of the screen, click on share screen, go to advanced and portion of screen, share. It will ask you which portion you want to. You can change that also. Yeah, only the portion enclosed in the green area, only that they will be able to see. You can stretch that, you can do whatever with that, and you can same way annotate only in this part. You cannot do in this part, only you can do in this part, but here that will vanish. Okay, next, stop share. Now, if you want to record this meeting, you can click on record. You need to take the permission from the host. If you click on OK, the host has to accept your recording permission. Actually, if the host disables this, you cannot do that. Reactions. It means you can show a thumbs up if you are agreeing with them, and a clap if you wanna appreciate someone. And if there are many participants, you want to view them in a gallery view, it will be like this. All the participants will be there. If you want to leave this meeting, you can click on leave meeting. Yes, this is how you can do with Zoom. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will show how a host can control the meeting. So please subscribe to my channel and share. Don't forget, we are educators. We are here to make learning easier.